What is up, YouTube? This is another tutorial, and in this tutorial, we're gonna be talking about the new shopping app, and it's called Temu. So it's a good app, and it's very good for if you're looking for a place to buy some products like some shirts or anything. But the main question that most users encounter is the part that how you can how you can enter like your referral code. So it's not that hard. All you have to do is head over to your app. You can, if you don't have the app, you go to your Play Store. You're gonna download it here, and once it's downloaded, you're gonna open it. You'll be welcomed with this screen, and once it's done, you can see all the app is here, and for you it's gonna ask you to make your account, and if you have already an account for it, you can just log in here, and once you've logged in, you would want to go to your account here, and on the drop down menu you will see a lot of options here. So you will see the coupons and offers. You're gonna go there, and there you go. There you can see all the products listed for the coupons, and that's why they're all mostly sold out. And if you have a coupon, you can just you can just enter it here, and once it's done, you'll be good to go. So this is the place, and this is how you can use your referrals. So thanks for watching. Make sure you do like and subscribe, turn on notifications.